Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, you already know by the title, we have a YESSTYLE clothing haul, which is super exciting. This is my first time partnering up with them. I will link all the products, link the websites, and I also have a discount code for you guys. It's just Mikayla Maglalang. I'll have it on the screen, have it down in the description box, and it just gets you a couple of dollars off and you get to save some money, and who doesn't love that? YESSTYLE is pretty affordable as it is. It's very trendy. Kind of see like a lot of brandy, Urban Outfitters, kind of like those type of clothing pieces on there. I'm super excited and thank you again for partnering up with me on this video. You already know the drill, so let's just get into this. First thing that I'm gonna start off with are these. Yes, they're the same exact top but in different colors. I feel like that's just my thing. I will literally get the same top in every single color if I could. Kind of took this opportunity to check out how their material would be with these very popular type of tops right now. Everyone kind of is looking for this. I will start off I will start off with this color right here. It's just this dark purple type of top, but it's a very different type of dark purple. You know when there's just like actual deep dark purple and then there's just like this muted dark purple. I don't know why I always get like so into colors whenever I'm describing them. I think it would look really cute with just any white or black bottom under it. And then I picked it up in this pastel blue. And this one, the quality just feels so thick. I don't know, I think it's like perfect and it's really nice. I don't know what else to say. It's super cute. Again, it's basically like the same exact other top, so I can't say much about it. And then this top I got in a sort of pastel yellow. I think this would be perfect for the spring and summertime because you could wear these on like those cold summer nights when you go to the beach. I just thought, I don't know, I had to get in this color, but I was gonna get it in every single color. So then I have this one, and this green is just, it's so different. It is really strange that I even like thought of picking it up. I just saw it and I was like, wait, I think I'm gonna have to see what it looks like. And I don't know if that's a problem. It might be, but this one actually, the sleeves are really short. So contrary to the other ones that kind of reach past my full arm, this one kind of cuts off around my wrist, so you guys will see how it looks in the try on portion. So now that we got those out of the way, I actually wanted to hop into accessories, which I know is kind of random, like you would think I'd start with that. So the necklace that I'm wearing, if you guys can see it, it's like a butterfly necklace, and then I also am wearing these earrings as well. Let me just zoom you guys up again. Those ones, I think they're super duper cute. However, they are really hard to undo. I actually started bleeding because I tried to undo them. Let me show you guys. I guess I'm just like being really detailed today. But I don't know, I'm also clumsy. I also got them in this yellow color. They're still in the bag, so here's what the blue ones look like. They're super cute. And then these are what the yellow ones look like. If you guys know me, I don't really accessorize that often, so the fact that I just got to pick out some accessories for once, I was super excited for that. So now back into the tops. Let me just start off with this sort of lavender cami top, and this is super popular. You guys probably recognize this top in almost every single clothing haul. It just has this wrenched up detail in the middle, and personally I think this shade of purple really makes almost any skin tone pop, so I really like it. Complements with this summer theme. I also decided to pick it up in white just because white goes with everything. I hadn't had a basic white cami top for a while now, so that's why I kind of just was like, okay, this one, perfect. And then this next top you've probably seen pretty often in a lot of clothing hauls as well. Just has this bow in the middle. You guys might see it in my Zaful haul depending on which one goes at first. I got it in red from Zaful, so I already know that I really like how this fits. And then I feel like this part of the top is just so complimenting, especially if you have sort of a bigger chest. I think these would really complement them. Your boobs, you know. For me, not so much, but I still think it's really cute too. I also picked up a sort of graphic tee, and this one just says Cosmic on it. I feel like a lot of these tops are very popular on like Pinterest or Instagram when you kind of are like styling your own outfits. It also has this, I wouldn't know what this is called, but the detailing. It's like the things that Maddie from Euphoria would put on her eyes. I just thought that a cute black graphic would be super cute for the summertime, so love it. So this next top is probably my favorite out of the entire haul just because look at it, guys. Doesn't this look like something you would get from Urban Outfitters for like 50 bucks? It's pretty oversized. I think you can get a small, medium, large in it. I believe I might have got a medium. I will also link all of these sizes down below. I think if you want that more oversized look, size up. I really like this one because of the graphic part where it's just this dragon and then the green, like the two greens, I think actually really complement each other. I cannot wait to style this and wear it out. I also picked up another cropped cardigan, but I definitely think this one's a lot different because it has this deep V and then it buttons. It also has this lace detailing right here, which you guys see it's on the arms and then it's also at the bottom. I would definitely style this with a cropped cami as well under it and then unbutton the buttons right there. So the last top that I have here is this sort of peasant crop top. What I like about it is actually the clasps in the very middle, which is what makes it more of a different top and not like those standard basic every single peasant top. So I don't know if that really made sense, but I think it's just very unique. It goes with everything because it is black. Black goes sort of with everything. I would definitely wear this on a night out because it has more of that sort of elegant look. So there's nothing wrong with it. It's a beautiful top, and that's all I gotta say about it. So hi guys, so it's like a couple of days later. I actually was filming and then like doing try-ons, and then I realized that I totally forgot to include these in there. These are just some leggings that I actually picked up from them. Guys, they are so soft. I don't even know, you guys can't obviously feel them, but I don't know what kind of material it is that makes them so soft. And then it has this like detailing in the butt. I don't know if it is supposed to make your butt like bigger, but at the moment I'm working on that to make my butt grow. So please stay safe guys and stay healthy. One thing that I do want to address is I will be linking places where you can support the Black Lives Matter movement. I will probably be mentioning that throughout my next couple of videos. Again, thank you guys for supporting me and making this even possible. With that being said, I am just going to close out this video and I love you guys. Bye.